Now I'm plugging in the SATA cable connector so that we can get this system up and running. And I just left my VGA cord there because I'm not 100% positive I gotta put the other video card in yet. But I'm not sure if I got the pins correct on the bottom for the reset switch and the power switch. And so I'm just going to leave it out. But once I get that all sorted out and it can restart and everything, then I'll put the other video card in. Just ran into a glitch there when I noticed. Alright, and plug in the rest of these blue cables. And we plugged all of them and sorted that out now. Just got to push it through and get that little tidied up. That all sorted out, pulled all the cords through now, nice and neat there. No big mess there. Good there, perfect. Alright, and we'll turn it around and tidy up the cables on the other side and put the side on that side. Well, I don't know if they put the glass on yet, but I'll be done with the other side. So we got it all buttoned up there now. We got this side all closed up. Now on to finishing it up here.